Hey everybody, welcome to the property chat with me, K to the Jizo, and we had an issue. We converted this backroom into a bachelor pad. Then this was a highly demanded bachelor pad. We were working on it, and as we were working on it, we had about 10-15 people coming and to make inquiries about how much will it cost, when will we finish, they would like to move in and stuff like that. It got me really excited. Then boom, we finished in 3 weeks. A tenant moved in. A week later, the tenant called and said, KG, we have a problem. The toilet, there's water coming out from the bathroom. He was thinking it's coming from the shower or the toilet. I was like, okay, I'm gonna come and check it out. I will be there soon. I said, cool. I went, I checked, I phoned my plumber guy, he was not there. And I had option to say, okay, since he was not there and it was the weekend, he was going to come back the following Wednesday, which is like 3-4 days with the water just put the room flooding. And I had 3 options. One, to call those guys who are 24-hour plumbing guys to come and do their work. They're very good people, but man, they are ridiculously expensive. So I was not going to call them. The other one option was to just say, my guy, please, the guy's going to come back on a Wednesday. Please have patience. We'll sort it out as soon as possible. But I didn't want to create that because he's a new tenant, in fact. And when you just moved in, already you have problems like that. It's gonna be like, this landlord is messing up with me, blah blah blah. The quality, the service is poor. I want top-notch service. So the last option that I have is to work it out myself. I went, I checked it out, and I spoke to my plumbing guy. Then he said, no. First and foremost, I struggled to find the real issue. No, not the real issue. I struggled to identify where the leaking was. I checked. It was wet on the thing. I thought maybe the water was coming from the pipes on the wall. It was not. Kept on checking, and finally I found out, the connection between the pipes and the toilet at the back. That's where the water was coming out from. I told the guy, I said, no, go buy a sealer. I went and bought a sealer and I started working it out, man. It took me, I think, about an hour moving back and forth, and finally I got it right. KG got it right. I went, opened up the water, and man, it was working. I was so bloody proud of myself. So what do you do as a landlord when you have problems and you don't want to mess up the relationship with tenants? You sort it out yourself. KG, property chat with me. Check you on the next one. Bye.